day, guys. We are going out of the house just right now. It's almost 11 a.m. We need to go do activities at the desert, but we had breakfast early on and now we are going to do our activities for the day, so stay tuned. I'm so sick. You know, there's that thing, you feel it when you are not okay, man. But yeah, let's just enjoy the weather and the day.
What's left on nothing? Nothing.
We're about to go quad biking. Oh, we can leave some things.
Can we put it in our car?
Yeah.
About to put on.
So the whole hair has to go.
Yeah, it's fun. Like that.
About to go drive. This thing is so heavy. I can't hear anything. Can you hear anything? You can hear my ears. Someone is stuck. Someone is stuck. So now we are going camel riding. We're waiting for the camels to come here. I want to put my handbag in the car, but I don't have the car keys. Almost ready.
Jump on the back seat in the one here. One day, you ladies can pick and
I'm gonna go here. Ooh. Ooh.
This one wants to mind.
They are so huge though. I wonder how old they are. This one wants to lick. We are now going home. What? Guys, look at the ocean. Candy, can we tell them they lock the car? Look at my sister, guys. Hi, YouTube. Hello, hello, welcome. We are going to the boat. Complimentary snacks, oysters, champagne, and what?
a bride.
I guess we'll find out what it's about. We're gonna hopefully see dolphins. That's not guaranteed, right?
No, it's not.
It depends if we see them. So we're gonna see dolphins. I'm so excited. So see you on the flip side.
Guys, don't post single picture.
Yeah.
So this is an oyster, right?
Yeah.
It's made of calcium.
In Angola, South Africa, Namibia, and a little bit in the coastline of Australia. Now, unlike human beings, these animals do not stay pregnant for 9 months, rather they stay pregnant for 12 months. And immediately after they give birth, they only have a window of 3 to 5 days, then they fall pregnant again. So it's safe to say that all the lady seals you see here are busy enjoying their maternity leave. Also, if you look there on land, you see there's a lighthouse there. This lighthouse was first introduced in 1915 as a flag, and then after 1915 the British colonizers came back in 1932 and realized that the flag was not embedded in sand or it did not dissolve, so they brought the lighthouse from Germany, fully built, fully assembled by a ship, and then, believe it or not, they placed it exactly where the land used to end. So all the land you see in front of the lighthouse stretching to your far right, this is land that has formed since 1932 up to date. This is because this piece of land you see here, which is a strand of an island attached to the land, keeps growing an exact 2.5 meters every day, or every year, sorry. This is due to the high amounts of sand blown in the air that collect up in the sand or in the water, and since our current flows from the south to the north, making this the deposit zone.
Just to this friendship forever.
Let me zoom out. Cheers to friendship.
You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.